Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's start with the animal card. Ram, perseverance. You have many gifts. No problem can withstand the power of your mind. With patience, you can reach your mountaintop. Never give up, and good luck will follow. Number 27, royal treatment. Make every day count. Don't wait. Make every day a special occasion. Get dressed up and use your finest dinnerware. How will you treat yourself? Science is the belief in the ignorance of experts. Challenge what's accepted. Bring forward an alternate that leads to a better world. Be less curious about people and more curious about ideas. What ideas do you find beautiful? How long do we want to go on suffering? When are we willing to give it up? When is enough enough? The part of us that wants to cling to negative emotions is our smallness. It is the part of us that is mean, petty, selfish, competitive, cheap, conniving, mistrusting, vindictive, judgmental, diminished, weak, guilty, ashamed, and vain. It's that part with which we want to identify. Alrighty, which envelope has our quotes today? Let's do this one. Trauma isn't just what happened to you, it's what didn't happen to you as well. It's the care you never got. It's the protection you weren't given when you needed it most. The link between diet and our brain health is profound. You name it, food plays a role. Depression, anxiety, dementia, behavior problems, violence, or just plain old brain fog are all connected to what we eat. Dr. Mark Hyman. It's better to have one friend who's happy for you, supports your wins, encourages your dreams, than a bunch of acquaintances who are lazy, self-centered, and jealous of your success. Why would the universe give you more if you're still accepting less? Feel good. May you attract someone who sets your soul on fire and reminds you of all the love you have within you. Stay in the moment. The practice of staying present will heal you. Obsessing about how the future will turn out creates anxiety. Replaying broken scenarios from the past causes anger or sadness. Stay here, in this moment. And the last one today. Don't feel guilty about removing unhealthy people from your life. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.